Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can upload a notes that you copied on your clipboard. Maybe you saw an important notes on internet and you copied it and you want to upload it to your Collect, but you don't know how. So today, I am going to show you on how you can upload your notes from clipboards to your Collect application. Please check the description and we'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Collect application. Once you open your Collect application, simply tap on this plus icon. And then in here, you'll see this Add Items. Below that, you'll see this Photos or Videos, Camera, Files, and lastly, the Paste from Clipboard. Since you want to upload the notes that you copied from the internet, simply tap on this Paste from Clipboard. And as you can see in here, you can add to a files. But for now, we'll just tap on this sort later. And as you can see in here, it's already uploaded. Here you go. If you wanted to know how to upload a notes from your clipboards to your Collect, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to upload a notes from your clipboards to your Collect account, please leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.